7 Cool Tools You Should Know About, Part 2. Number 7. The Optima Chisel Plane. Priced at $119.99, the new chisel plane from Blue Spruce Toolworks brings flexibility and precision to the forefront. Tailored for tasks like mortising, dovetailing, paring, small-scale work, and more, the Optima Chisel Plane proves indispensable for a wide range of craftsmen. In situations where we encounter challenges, the Optima Chisel Plane fills a unique gap in our tool collection, excelling in areas where other tools may fall short. Whether trimming plugs, working on end grain, paring joinery surfaces, or cleaning glue squeeze-out, this tool thrives in both open plywood projects and confined casework thanks to its elevated handle that allows the iron to lie flat, a situational advantage over a paring chisel. Number 6. The MARSHALLTOWN Roller Cleaner. Priced at $6.67, the MARSHALLTOWN Roller Cleaner boasts an innovative design that serves two purposes. Painters can initially use the scraper end to eliminate excess paint, and then they can slide the roller cleaner over a 9-inch, 229mm roller cover. By attaching a standard garden hose to the threaded end, cleaning becomes faster and more efficient. Key features include quick and easy paint removal from the roller cover, suitability for 9-inch, 229mm rollers, a scraper for excess paint removal, a roller cage locking mechanism, and a threaded end compatible with a standard garden hose. Number 5. Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit. Priced at $45, the Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit provides everything needed for changing light bulbs indoors and outdoors. With a telescopic pole extending 11 feet, a ladder becomes unnecessary. The kit includes 5 nesting attachments designed to fit floodlights, incandescent lights, regular light bulbs, and more. It even includes a tool for safely removing broken bulbs. The non-scratch components are compatible with all standard threaded bulbs, making the task of changing light bulbs easier, faster, and safer. Number 4. Global Industrial 4-in-1 Portable Workbench with Power Strip. Priced at $199, the Global Industrial 4-in-1 Portable Workbench with Power Strip is a versatile solution for both professional contractors and home users. Featuring adjustable legs, a power strip, ruler, drill hole, durable cutting surface, built-in accessory storage tray, and a carry handle, this workbench goes beyond being a simple work surface. With a height of 30.5, a 500-pound capacity, and built-in 2.5 casters, it serves as a workbench, platform, dolly, and creeper. The reversible top panel with a non-slip surface adds to its functionality. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Number 3. Wallcom Air Blower Pro. The Wallcom Air Blower Pro is a continuous flow drying gun with a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius for basecoat applications, equipped with an air regulator. It offers a blow distance of 40 to 50 centimeters in the first phase and 10 to 20 centimeters in the final drying phase. The body is made of metallic material, and the nozzle is composed of nylon and rubber radial components. With an air consumption of 265 liters per minute at 3 bar, this lightweight tool weighs 300 g. Number 2. Bow Featherboard. Priced at $34, the BOW Featherboard provides kickback prevention, offering 5x greater kickback resistance compared to plastic or wood feathers. Its EVA material and living hinge design pinched the board against the fence, absorbing kickback forces. The feathers increase surface contact on the workpiece for ultimate feed control, resulting in a cleaner and more precise cut. The reversible, replaceable, and interchangeable feathers are non-marring on soft woods, ensuring they won't harm carbide blades or router bits. The Feather Pro is versatile, allowing users to switch between standard and Ultraflex feathers. Number 1. Einheld Brillianto. Priced at £54.95, the Einheld Brillianto offers cordless freedom for easy window cleaning. The battery-powered handheld window cleaner features a lightweight design, a soft grip handle, and optimal weight distribution for effortless use. With a 28 cm long suction nozzle and a one-piece rubber lip, streak-free cleaning is ensured. The unique nozzle design allows for horizontal, vertical, and sideways use, making it versatile for removing condensation or cleaning quartz countertops. The Brillanto is part of the power exchange system, ensuring safety, efficiency, reliability, and durability. The electric window cleaner body is sold separately and comes with a spray bottle and wall mount, requiring one X18V lithium-ion rechargeable battery and charger, sold separately. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to get more informative and helpful videos. Kindly like, comment, and share our videos with your friends to support our team.